Are you having problems?
I got it in my eye.
Okay, what are you doing?
I'm getting this dinosaur out. Is he free yet? Nope. Hey! I need to do the 7.
You're digging out an elephant? What?
No, I'm digging out a dinosaur.
Oh, a dinosaur.
I'm a scientist.
Okay.
Still to come, how do they produce the perfect electric shaver? Find out how on How Do They Do It? To create the perfect electric shaver. So, how do they do it?
I think I found something, Mommy.
Okay, now let's see. Move your hand, let's see.
It's 7 a.m. in the medieval.
Looks like a dinosaur to me.
And factory manager Herr Kirchmeier is getting ready to head to work.
Wow.
But today he skipped his usual morning shave.
Silly hand. Wire in the way.
Producer of